Urban Gypsy Freedom. Multiple concave layers, disconnected but blended. A cut within a cut. I'm going to take the length off of Megan's hair, just combing all the hair into a compression section in the center back. Just combing the hair nice and tight into one section. We're just going to shatter the edges to create our outside line. Keeping the razor nice and flat. Just shatter through my outside line. My next section, I'm starting on the left-hand side as a right-handed cutter, and I'm going to be doing a concave through the back of Megan's hair. Taking the hair out, I'll take the shortest point, make sure that I see where that's dropping for me. I'm going to come in, and with my razor parallel to the floor, I'm going to shatter in a nice deep concave. Move across into the center. Take my guide with me. I'll come in and again a nice deep concave and out. So I've worked my way across the back, and now I'm working back into the red zone on the other side, making sure to direct back to keep a little bit of hair behind the ear. My next section, I'm starting on the front of Megan's haircut, and I'm going to start to work my way all around the back, doing a progressive layer, making this my starting point, dropping down from the chin. I'm going to take the hair out, and we're just going to very softly blend that section to the outside. I will continue doing this across the back, being sure to comb the section nice and clean, nice and tight. Get my razor in nice and flat, and just shatter to the outside. Having worked my way around through the back and back through into the sides, I'm just taking this last section now and just very softly blending out my last section, which now allows me to work into my top. Now for our final section with the hair wet, I'm going to compression cut Megan's hair, taking it all to a point around about the lip as a guide. This is going to create for me a lot of movement on the inside, as well as create the shape on the exterior. I'm going to take it, I'm going to pinch it, comb it nice and tight as you can. I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to work on the outside of the section. So just coming through and doing a nice, strong shatter. Now when I push that hair back, I'm going to release all that great movement around the face, as well as that movement on the inside. Now to blend from our compression cut fringe into the layers we cut on the outside, I'm going to use my RZ blender. Combing the section up and out, I'm going to find where the disconnect was and just softly go in and visually soften that line. Anywhere the hair is a little heavier, I'll take out a little bit more. So come in, elevate the section out, find our compression cut, and blend it with our layering to the outside. I will continue to do that all around till I reach the other side. So having reached our final section on our heavy side, we're going to do our blend multiple times. In detailing our Urban Gypsy Freedom, I'm going to start by walking my contour shear to frame around the face. A slight flutter of the thumb, just to open up the shape. I'll now come back and using the same walking motion and flutter of the thumb, I'll blend in my fringe section. Having created that shape, I will come now onto the other side. And now walking my contour shear down. Again, just a very light flutter of the thumb. Now, using my RZ blender, I will take my layering from the inside, elevate with my length on the outside, keeping the shear parallel to the floor. I will now soften between the two lines. Just a nice soft movement. I will continue that all the way through, working my way into the back, elevating that hair out. I like to use the large side of the comb here. Just keeps everything a little softer. Comb through and out. Come in with my RZ blender and just a nice soft blend from the interior out to the exterior. I'll continue that all the way through to the other side.